Hola chicos y chicas, bienvenidos a un nuevo video para el canal. El día de hoy vamos a estar haciendo la reacción a la bruta. Vamos allá. Se ve acá algo atrás. Y cayó ese del starr como el segundo golpe.
In this brawl, a toxic brawler from another dimension. Buzz won't be alone anymore. Creepy and enchanted skins. And more pirates. Are boxes back? And one farewell.
Le pongo calidad alta. Voy a hacer un corto mejor.
Oh, this is weird.
Uy.
Paula, are you here? Hey! Get out of here, that's my face! Who said that?
I think it was the chair.
Who's there?
Darth Vader.
This place is toxic. Use this. Welcome to Brawl Talk. It is the summer of... No, Danny, not yet. We are in the Enchanted Woods. It is not known if this is truly enchanted or just toxic, or both. Either way, it's the home of our newest brother, Cordelius. He used to be a normal gardener in the park, but the toxicity of the place drove him mad, and he ended up getting stuck at that place. He still enjoys some gardening occasionally, though. Cordelius' main attack are two rapid mushrooms he throws with his gardening. They deal quite a lot of damage, but their range is short. To make up for the short range, he's a very fast brawler, and he can also charge his super by being next to the opponents. If he hits his super, he transports his and his opponent's minds to a different reality. In this reality, Cordelius gets a speed and a reload speed buff, and his targets can't use their super or gadgets, but they can still run and attack. You stay in this reality for a determined amount of time, or until you defeat the enemy brawler or get defeated by them. And during Cordelius' super, none of the other brawlers can interfere with this combat. Cordelius becomes an evil genius with the Spore Mind Cordelius King at the last year of the Brawl Pass. And it's the summer of... Danny, not yet, but with enchanted and weird woods.
A ver. La primera debe ser 8 bits. La segunda, Janet. ¿Cómo se llamaba? Low y Chester.
We have enchanted and weird skins. 8-bit becomes a witch house and hates knock-knock jokes.
Tenía la voz de
the haunted house 8-bit. And he's the skin released together with the Brawl Pass, so that you can buy with Blink. Lou is a stone troll, but still looks cute and happy with his stone troll Lou skin. And he's also the powered leak skin. Chester becomes a super creepy sentient tree with the wood spirit Chester skin. And Janet gets butterfly wings and a cocoon gun with the dark fairy Janet skin. Can I say now, Paula? Yes, you can say. It is the summer of pirates. For this summer...
Verano de los piratas. Griff pirata, Soch pirata, contra Vivi pirata y Meg pirata.
The pirate skins are back, and we have some new course pirates joining the crew. Meg gets a Megalodon skin and some ghostly links. The skin is just called Megalodon. They get it. And Griff's head is now a treasure chest called Sunken Chest Griff. Bibi gets a whole pirate outfit, but she's not any kind of pirate. She's a cursed pirate Bibi. And lastly, shout out to Steamfish, the creator of Kraken Surge, our latest Supercell mix skin that's joining the pirate crew as well. And speaking of summer, Buzz finally has a friend in his trio after 2 years. Duck is the newest member of the Velocirapids water park, and he's the most chill and friendly dinosaur you can meet. He doesn't worry about anything at all. And that's because he can heal everyone around him with his mega attack. The closer you are to Duck, the more you get healed. And if you are on the opposing team, it follows the same logic, but of course, it deals damage instead. Doug is the first brawler who can revive another, or himself. He throws a floaty hot dog at his teammates that he can also use on himself. If you get defeated while you have the hot dog mark, you immediately respawn at the same place.
¿Un corte? Perdón, es un corte.
His hot dog mark expires though, just like a real hot dog. So you have to time it correctly to be able to use it effectively. Duck should be released early August with a 29 gem skin called Draco Duck. And just before I talk about boxes, here are some more skins. Darkside Carl got slightly less dark and more vivid.
Otra variante. Ah, ¿qué? Es un remodel. Oh, yo creí que era otra variante. Está mejor. No sé, la verdad vale que horrible.
And some details got improved as well. Aristara now turned into Stara.
Para estelar.
An amazing skin.
Oh.
Smuggler Penny also got some adjustments to match Penny's remodel and a new animation. And you've been asking for it. Phoenix Crow came from the ashes.
Ay. Ese está god.
In a new brand design that makes him look so much cooler. He's also getting a pin set, profile icon, spray, and a voiceover. If you own the skin already, you'll get all of these for free in the first month.
Bien,
and
todo
Bonnie
eso.
is getting 229 gem skins.
Bonnie.
Unicorn Bonnie, super colorful, beautiful, cheerful,
Que ha puesto
and all
que
the
la
other sweet
otra es
adjectives.
totalmente contrario. Miren, ahí está.
And Foot Bonnie
Ah, no,
will
fútbol.
celebrate the Women's World Cup happening soon. Now, the moment you're waiting for. Are boxes coming back? Not really, but we have something
Premios
better.
Starr.
Star drops. The number one feedback after we removed boxes was that players were missing the surprise effect of getting rewards. So this is no bug, and here's how the star drops work. Every day you can collect 3 star drops. To get them, you need to win matches. Any kind of matches. Trophy League, Power League, Club League, challenges, and even Matchmaker. You get 1 drop after a first win, another one on the 4th, and the last one on the 8th win of the day. The Star Drop has 5 rarities like the Brawlers: Rare, Super Rare, Epic, Mythic, and Legendary. And each time you tap the screen, you have a chance to upgrade the rarity of your Star Drop. The higher the rarity, the better the item, and you get 1 item per drop. From those Star Drops you can get coins, power points, credits,
Brawler.
bling, Brawlers, and we also added pins, including some exclusive pins you can only get from a drop, sprays, profile pictures, and even skins. The skins you can get from the Star Drop are the ones that you can get with Bling and that are not seasonal. Mythic and Legendary are still only available for gems. The question you might have right now is, how much more I'm getting from this? And the answer is around 20% more than before. But to make its high rarity drop meaningful, we had to reallocate some of the rewards you get from other places. So we transfer rewards from Club League, Power League, and a bit from the Brawl Pass, mostly from the end rewards once you complete it. And we know how this sounds like a nerf to your rewards. But no, you'll be getting more if you continue playing the same amount you played today. Danny guarantees that with his own life. Yeah, what? And besides that, we also have... Payload is back with some changes. Now you can move and attack through the card. Takedown and Wipeout are also back based on the results of our in-game poll. More options on how to complete a quest. And now you can also progress in the Premium Brawl Pass quests. So if you buy the pass at some point during the season, you get all the rewards.
Bien.
And don't forget to go to event.brawlstars.com to watch our esports monthly finals and get some really
Es
cool
mucho
rewards,
rato, no vale la
including
pena, en mi
unique
opinión.
pins. Next show is tomorrow, and you can always check the website to know when is the next one. And the skin we are giving away right after the update is gonna be Dark Fairy Janet. So look for #Dark Fairy. It's with a heavy heart that I announce this will be my last Brawl Talk. Oh no, not again. It's okay, trust me. You've probably noticed I've been helping squad busters recently.
Sí.
And the time has come for me to fully support this new game and step back from Brawl Stars before I can provide the most beautiful community with all the time and attention you deserve. Believe me, it's not easy to leave after all you've done for me from the very first moment we met. Your kindness
Perdón, se va a cortar el video. Sigamos.
and empathy are things I'll carry forever here in my heart and will always be my motivation to continue, giving my best. Okay. I believe that pursuing the goal of launching Squad Busters to the world is the right thing to do. And if we fail, I've been told there will always be a place for me in the Brawl team. But please don't be sad if I don't come back. My absence will only mean that we, Supercell, did it and managed to release a new game that many people will play for years and remember forever. Gracias from the bottom of my heart for all the moments we shared over the last 2 years. And see you in Squad Busters. Before you say anything, no, I'm not leaving you alone with Frank. Did you bring me some backup?
I did.
Oh,
Alright, so wait, there's a surprise for you.
No, don't do
there's
this to me.
surprise.
No.
Flowers, a card from the team. It looks like a 5-year-old, but it's my handwriting and a custom gift.
It's so beautiful. Should I show it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
no, it's moved a bit.
no, but it's so cool. I don't think you can see it, but it's a necklace with the Brawl logo. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cry. We can cry. Thank you.
Holy! Ah!
Toxic. Use this. And Janet gets butterfly.
raposa.
I knew I was gonna say that. Gets butterfly wings and a cocoon gun. Cocoon gun. Butterfly wings and a cocoon. And Janet.
Dale like, suscríbanse y nos vemos en un próximo video. Adiós.